Understand this, if something's harder, it's usually better, right? Keep that in mind. If it's harder, it's better. What's going on, fam? ERIC ELLIS here, CEO of wolvesacademy.com, the Wolf of Marketing. And in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my top 5 paid advertising platforms for affiliate marketing. So that way you can drive targeted traffic, targeted website visitors to your affiliate offers. Now, before we get into it, if you guys wanna know my #1 recommendation to make money online as an affiliate, go ahead and click the first link in the description or the link in my bio. Number 1, we're gonna go with Facebook ads. Now, Facebook ads is an amazing platform to advertise on. It's pretty complex, so when it comes to beginners, you don't wanna just look at YouTube videos or just go on website blogs and try to figure out how to do Facebook ads. Guys, that's just not how it works. You wanna go ahead and invest into yourself, and I would recommend just buying a Facebook ads course or maybe some of my paid programs where you can actually learn Facebook ads by somebody who has successfully run profitable campaigns. But the benefit of Facebook ads is that they're gonna go ahead, I mean, you guys have probably been on Facebook or Instagram and you maybe say something and it feels like they hear your conversation and start advertising to you, or maybe it feels like they've read your mind. The reason why is because it's almost scary how much data they allow their advertisers to leverage to actually market to, right? So there's basically just extreme laser targeting capabilities, and you have data of over 2 billion daily active users. So there's a large audience and there's a great amount of data. Number 2 is Google AdWords. So the difference between Facebook and Google AdWords is Facebook is interruption marketing. You're scrolling down your feed and then you get interrupted by an ad. With Google, you're actually searching to solve a problem, meaning, how do I make money online? How do I flirt with men? How do I lose weight? How to lose weight? You're searching these keyword terms, and basically you can pay as an advertiser to boost your ads at the top, right? So you can go ahead and put one of your funnels to one of the keywords of how to make money online. And then once people type in how to make money online, your ad comes up, it gets displayed. Somebody's already searching for that solution. Yes, it may not be as targeted, but it's when it comes to targeting capabilities. But the cool thing about Google ads, it's like people are already looking to solve that problem. You're not just interrupting people and using marketing and manipulation to actually get them to buy your stuff. They're already searching for that solution. So Google ads is a pretty good one. The third one I would say is YouTube ads. Now Google owns YouTube as well, but the reason why YouTube is really good right now is because there's not as much competition as Facebook and Google. The reason why is because it's way harder to create a video ad than just an image ad, right? So it's harder to create a video and create copy, which is basically the actual message. So the words that are written in the actual video, it's hard to create that. So with that being said, you have less competition. Not only that, it's the same thing as Google, right? People are searching how to make money online, and you can target that keyword and then you can go ahead and interrupt those people with your content. But the cool thing is that they're actually sitting on YouTube watching long form videos. So Facebook is probably short videos. Like if I'm on Facebook and I get interrupted by an ad, I'm probably watching 10-second cat videos, so people have a shorter attention span. If I'm watching YouTube videos, I'm watching 5-minute, 10-minute, 20-minute videos on YouTube. I'm literally there, sitting there to watch videos, and not only am I watching videos, I'm specifically watching videos to solve the specific problem, right? I'm watching how-to videos. So if I'm watching a video teaching me about affiliate marketing, then I get interrupted by an ad saying, hey, do you want to learn affiliate marketing? And I was already about to watch a 20-minute video. Okay, my attention just got redirected to this sales video teaching me how to make money online. So instead of watching that 20-minute video that was going to teach me affiliate marketing, now I'm going to go and watch this 20-minute sales video. Boom, you just got an affiliate commission. Number 4 would be solo ads. So solo ads are usually for like the make money online and weight loss niche. You could use Udemy.com. And basically Udemy.com is a platform where you can go ahead and find people who have large email lists. And what they would do is do an email broadcast out to your landing page, right? Now, the cool thing about Udemy is that it's not as regulated as, let's just say, like a Facebook ads, Google ads, so on and so forth. They really don't check the copy on your landing page. So I've got a couple of ads accounts shut down because the words on my landing page, right, the words on the page that I'm sending people to were not compliant, right? So Facebook doesn't like that. They'll literally shut all your ads down, shut your ads account down. With Udemy, they don't care, right? So you can write really persuasive and manipulative landing page copy, which will increase your conversions and you really don't have anybody to police you. So that's the cool thing about Udemy, and it's a lot less complex, meaning Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads. There's like, you got to look at the dashboard. You need to learn how to optimize. You need to learn how to split test different ad sets, so on and so forth. Now, with that being said, understand this. If something's harder, it's usually better, right? Keep that in mind. If it's harder, it's better. So Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, better than Udemy. However, for beginners, I'd say get into something like Udemy because it's really a solo ads, because they're really easy, beginner friendly, and if you want to get the ball rolling for your make money online or weight loss offers, definitely a great option. Last but not least is native ads. So native ads are basically kind of like if you're ever on a blog post and you go on a blog post and you scroll all the way down to the bottom of that blog post and you see these images and then you see a headline. It's usually, let's just say if I have like a weight loss blog, at the bottom of it, you might have a native ad or a banner ad with like a picture on it with words on it, and it might be sending you to a weight loss offer. So basically these native ads, the cool thing about these native ads, and if you guys want to learn more about native ads, simply just Google native ads, what are native ads, figure it out. But the cool thing about native ads is the same thing. They're usually not as strict as Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads. So it's kind of like the Wild Wild West. You can use extremely persuasive and manipulative copy on your landing pages, which will increase conversions. So you really don't have to worry about being as compliant, which is good for your conversions. And it can be pretty targeted traffic. Some of the benefits that I like about like the Facebook ads or the YouTube ads, especially if you use video content, is that you can also, if you're using your personal brand awareness. So those are my top 5 guys. Pick one, run with it, go all in, focus on it. And if you guys don't have the budget to do paid advertising, start doing free marketing. You guys can go all over my YouTube channel to figure out free marketing strategies. I teach free marketing strategies all the time. But you want to start setting a traffic budget aside. You want to start setting aside a certain amount of your income or your profits from your business to start reinvesting into paid advertising, because paid advertising is how you scale your income quickly to the next level. So if you guys like that video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, hit the like button. It really does help the algorithm and it allows more people to see my content. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notifications bell, join the family, because I drop heat when it comes to affiliate marketing, making money online all the time. Click the first link in the description or the link in my bio if you guys want to know my #1 recommendation to make money online as an affiliate. And until next time, I'm sweating in this Bali heat out here. Eric Ellis Jr., the Wolf of Marketing, checking out.